Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Neha and you're watching Dr. Neha's Eudaimonia. Are you always tired? Feeling tired all the time has a very negative effect on your life, your mood, and your ability to function in terms of work and exercise. You feel so lethargic that even attending small get-togethers and social events is a big task. It's difficult to concentrate in small activities you do. So what is the cause of this extreme tiredness? Extreme tiredness and exhaustion can happen due to some internal and external reasons. External causes of extreme fatigue are being too stressed or overwhelmed and lack of sleep. Exhaustion can result from number of internal causes such as anemia. Anemia in turn can be caused by low iron count or due to internal bleeding due to some other etiology, or in women it can happen due to bleeding from menstruation. Some other reasons for extreme exhaustion are extremely low B12 or folate levels and low vitamin D3 levels. Exhaustion can also happen due to dietary reasons. Diet plays a very important role in leading a normal life. Not eating good quality or nutritionally valued food can result into number of deficiencies, which in turn makes you feel sluggish and literally non-functional. There could be hormonal reasons. For example, if your thyroid gland is not producing enough thyroxine, it is going to slow down your body and make you feel sluggish. If you are a diabetic patient and your sugar levels are not in control, you are going to feel constant fatigue. Some other causes of exhaustion could be dehydration, that is, not having enough fluid in your body, or overdoing some activity such as your work or exercise. Remember, your body needs rest to repair itself from everyday activities, wear and tear. If you are chronically feeling tired, it is a good idea to get yourself checked by your physician, as this could be due to some undiagnosed underlying disease that is affecting your body. And if you are suffering from chronic fatigue syndrome, it won't be explained by any underlying medical condition, but it won't even go away by taking rest. Chronic fatigue syndrome is a long-term condition with 90% of its cases being undiagnosed. It makes it difficult for people to maintain a daily job, to do daily living activities, or be a part of family and social life. 1 in 4 patients suffering from chronic fatigue syndrome are housebound for a long period of time. Anyone could suffer from chronic fatigue syndrome. Though it is more prevalent in people in their 40s and 50s, it can also affect children, adolescents, and young adults. The reason for chronic fatigue syndrome is unknown. It is unclear why it occurs in some and not the others. Impairment in the immune system could be one of the causes. How can you get diagnosed for the right cause of your fatigue and tiredness? See your physician for advice and management who can rule out metabolic problems, hormonal problems, heart and lung impairments, mental health issues, sleep disorders, and other medical conditions. Along with your medical management, graded exercise therapy is one of the most effective ways of getting back to your normal self. And lastly, do remember to like this video and put your suggestions in the comments section below. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell notifications on for an update on next video next week. Send this video to your friends and family and make them health aware. Until next time, this is Dr. Neha signing off. Take care, stay safe.